Hey whales, good morning. Happy Friday the 13th. Let's recap the markets and go over Nvidia. For those that don't know me though, I'm a full-time trader. I do these updates every single day. And to give you an idea in terms of how I'm doing so far for the month of June for my trades, you can see very solid start to the month so far, up 6.1k USD guys, 79% win rate. So super proud of myself so far. And you can see from the calendar view, again, very solid start to the month. I am in a trade already for this morning, so let's see how that pans out as well. But overall, right, one on Palantir as well as QBTS yesterday, so hopefully I can keep up this win streak. And again, if you guys want my actual trades, guys, I post all my day trades, swing trades, I do both over here in Discord every single day, right? You get the entries, target, stop losses, everything that you need here to succeed. And even on swing trades, guys, right, we made over 103% on Oklo that we just closed out for amazing gains. So I look forward to seeing you here and making a lot of money together. The link is in the bio for you to join. Okay, so with that said, let's jump into Nvidia here. So we did get that crazy news, right, with Iran and Israel overnight. There is a little bit of pressure with the U.S. equities market right now, especially with oil and gold starting to turn up as well on a bullish sequence. So we just have to keep that in mind. Now, with Nvidia, it does still look bullish to me overall. Now, the only warning signs and flashing warning signs that I see is that we are starting to get some bearish divergences starting to form on the daily time frame. So at any moment, right, this wave 3 in blue could be in, and we could go for a larger, deeper retrace for a wave 4. Now, we're not there yet. There's no bullish or bearish break on Nvidia, so we can continue to extend the markets higher, especially if Nvidia can hold this pivot, guys, at 132.65. So as long as that pivot can hold, you can use sort of that pivot as your main retracement levels, right? And you're looking at potential areas to buy, like 140, 137. These are sort of the areas you're looking at for a to finish off and continue trending higher for Nvidia in a series of 3s, 4s, and 5s. All right, so you're using this as your main pivot, to draw your fibs from, to draw all your levels from, to continue pushing the markets higher. Now, I'll make sure to update you guys just in case the market structure does break or if I see deeper warning signs. But you can also see as well for the S&P 500. Get some of these out the way. Again, we're getting some bearish divergences forming from the 3, 4, 5 levels, especially on the daily time frame again as well, right? So this was a peak 3, 4, 5, lower high on RSI, higher high on RSI. So we're not sure yet if RSI can be, or if the divergences can be erased on the S&P 500, but that is something that I'm making sure I keep a big look at, because again, at any moment, this can turn into a wave 3 and then a 4 lower, right? And we don't get that intra-wave high. So it could turn something like this, okay? So just a waiting game at this point, but until then, guys, I do believe dips are going to be bought up pretty quickly. Markets are still bullish overall. It's just that we just need to see when this wave 3 is going to be put in place. We can't time a top. We don't know how a top's going to look like. I've seen a lot of positions where it does look like a rising wedge or something like this, very scary formation, but then all of a sudden it actually blows the top and continues higher, right? The markets just are not predictable. So with that said, if I have this in mind, this roadmap in mind, I'm going to keep pushing the markets higher until proven otherwise. So I'm only looking for long positions on my day trades on my 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute time frames. So again, come join Discord, guys, right? I provide all my entries for Nvidia, for Tesla, for Palantir every single day, wherever the opportunity is. Today, it looks like it's potentially small caps as well as oil and energy. So come through. We have trades ready to go, and I look forward to making a lot of money together and see you here. Have a great rest of your weekend.